told you that you can earn $2 every time you click a video and watch it. Watching videos is something that we do every single day. Now you can turn your time in watching videos into money. I'm so glad you clicked on this video because today with this method we can earn money again and again. There's no limit. What I love about this is that you can do this on any gadget. You can do this on your mobile phone, you can do this on your laptop or computer, and you can do this on your tablet. What's also great about this method is that you can cash out your earnings via PayPal, bank transfer, Payoneer, Bitcoin, Paytm, or Gcash. So on this video, I will show you 5 different websites and different apps that'll help us in making money online by just watching short videos. If you have been watching my videos, then you already know what I'm about to say next. But if you're new, welcome to Mr. McMoney! So what I'm trying to say is, I don't want you guys to skip any part of this video so that you won't miss out on important details. Because if you do, you might end up not earning anything at all. And we don't want that. You also don't need to worry because you won't be spending a dime on these websites or these applications. This method is 100% free and this is available worldwide. So wherever you are in the world, you can absolutely do this. So what you'll need to do right now is just sit back, relax, and wait till this video ends. Because when this video ends, you can then start earning money right away. But before we dive into the video, welcome to Mr. McMoney, where I teach you guys the latest tips and tricks in making money online. Smash the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you'll always be updated whenever I post new content like this. Like this video and leave a comment down below if you have questions. Now let's go back to the video. Okay, right now let's proceed to the first website for today's video. Now this is the first website, GetRewarded. Earn rewards on your phone or the web with surveys, cashback, and more. So you can use this on your laptop, your computer, or your mobile phones. As you can see, you can download this for free on the Apple App Store and the Google Play Store. This website has paid over $5 million to people all over the world ever since 2012. Which means this is a trusted website and that this website has existed for quite a while now. So what you can do with this website is that you can win instant contests by joining them. You can complete surveys if you like answering surveys. Don't worry, these surveys are short. You can earn cashback while shopping. You can download apps, and you can also share this with your friends and earn from your referral. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna focus on watching videos because that is the easiest thing to do right here. So of course, what you'll first need to do is create an account. So in order to do that, put in your email address right here. Make sure that it's a valid email address, okay? And then click on sign up now. Once you have logged into your account, it'll look like this. So you can do a lot of things right here by answering surveys, completing offers, winning games and contests. You can download the apps and you can share this with your friends. Now I want to show you how you can withdraw your earnings, okay? So what you need to do is go over here to the left side of your screen, the left hand corner of your screen, and then scroll down below. You can see here under spend points, click on cash. After clicking that, you'll be redirected to this page where you can pick your payment method. So you can pick either PayPal or Visa gift card. So let me click on PayPal right here and let me click on $5. It'll then look like this. Now, as you can see right here on the top right hand corner of your screen, this is your points. Okay, so as of now, I have 10 points since this is a brand new account. But after you're done doing surveys, completing offers, winning games, downloading applications, then you will earn points every now and then. And once you have accumulated enough points to claim your earnings, then you'll be able to do that here. As you can see, for $5, we need 3,000 points. So when you have accumulated enough points to claim these prizes right here, we have $5, $10, $25, up to $500. Once you have enough points, then you can cash out. So in order to earn points, you have to do surveys, right? So let's click on surveys right here. And you can see that you can unlock high-paying surveys right here. You can do a 10-minute survey. You have Peanut Labs, you have Theorem Reach, you have Paulfish. So these are easy surveys, and you can see you can earn up to 5,000 points per survey. Okay, so right now let's go to offers. As you can see, today there are no offers available for me today, okay? But it actually depends on the location you're in. So maybe there are offers available for you. Yesterday I checked, there was an offer from Offer Toro. So today there are no offers. You don't have to worry because all you have to do is just load this every day and you might be lucky and land on one offer. And then right here, download apps. Try free apps and get rewards, okay? Also, when you download the application, guys, you'll be able to watch videos right there on your mobile phones. So, let me give you a tip. When you're already allowed to watch the videos, then all you have to do is just open different tabs, different videos. Okay, so you can select videos, open them on different tabs like this, and then mute them. Okay, what I do is I mute these videos and then I play them in the background so that while these videos are rolling, while these videos are playing, I can do something else. And while I'm doing something else, whether I'm relaxing or watching a movie, I am earning at the same time. Also, what's great about this is that you can do this on multiple devices. So I can watch on my laptop or on my computer, and I can also watch on my mobile phone. That way, more devices, more videos to play, more money. By the way, this website is featurepoints.com. Again, that is featurepoints.com. Now, before we proceed to the next part of this video, I want you guys to comment down below and tell me what device do you usually use. Are you always on your mobile phone or do you use your laptop or computer often? Let me know in the comment section. Now, the next website is AppNana.com. I have already told you about this website in my previous video, but let me just say it again in case you haven't saw that yet. So, this is AppNana.com. AppNana is an application on your mobile phone where you can get paid for free. So, what you'll need to do is download this on your device, whether you're an iPhone user or you're an Android user, and then you can earn credits with awesome apps and games you play each time. So their point system is nanas. What you're gonna do is you need to earn nanas. When you have enough nanas, you can then redeem your rewards. Get any paid app and game for free. Redeem Amazon, iTunes, Google Play, and Xbox gift cards. So it's really easy. If you want to download this, click on these buttons right here. If you're an Apple user, click this one, get for iOS. And if you're an Android user, then click on this one, get for Android. If you're enjoying the video so far, don't forget to hit the like button and hit subscribe. Now let's go back and proceed to the next website. The next website is this one right here, MyPoints. This is over at MyPoints.com. Again, MyPoints.com. What I love about this is that when you join, you get a $10 welcome bonus. And who doesn't want free money, right? And this is already $10 just by signing up. All you have to do is just enter your email address right here and then your password. After that, click on Join Now. So what you can do on MyPoints is basically the same with other websites, okay? You can do a lot of things right here, including watching videos. Okay, so right now let us proceed. The next application is AppTrailers, and this is only available on your Android device, okay? So if you're an Android user, then this is perfect for you. What's so great about AppTrailers is that all you have to do is just watch video trailers of apps, celebrity gossip, DIY videos, and so much more to get points. And then when you get your points, you can redeem them with PayPal Cash, Amazon gift codes, and many more. So it's really easy. All you have to do is just watch trailers and earn money. Now this app has been downloaded and has been reviewed by 42,000 people. And this application has a 4-star rating, which means that people who used this actually like this application. Now, before we proceed to the last and final website for today, I want you guys to comment down below and tell me what country you come from, so that in the future, I can make more videos about making money online that'll work in your country, okay? Now let's go back. For our final website, we have here Creations Rewards, and this is over at creationsrewards.net. Again, creationsrewards.net. Be rewarded for what you do online at Creation Rewards. Earn free gift cards and cash. This website also has a $5 sign-up bonus. Again, who doesn't love free money? So what you need to do is just enter your email address right here and then select your country. But I gotta tell you guys that this is limited only to United States, Canada, United Kingdom, and Australia. So if you're from these countries, then you can absolutely do this. After doing that, you can enter your password right here and then confirm your password. Tick this "I'm not a robot" box and then click on register. So here's how you can earn free cash and gift cards for the things you do online every single day. What you're gonna do is take daily surveys, shop online, watch videos, explore websites, try offers, and much more. So whenever you do this, you earn points. And then after that, when you have accumulated enough points, you can then redeem your points for free cards to your favorite stores such as Amazon.com or Walmart. Or you can redeem your points for cash through PayPal. This method is really easy and this is fun. So all in all, I have showed you 5 different websites and you can use whatever you like, okay? You can explore. And if you're gonna watch those videos, those video ads, or those trailers, then all you have to do again is just mute them. So you can do something else while you earn points and then redeem them afterwards if you have enough points already. And that's it! If you like this video and if you learned something, then go ahead and smash the like button, hit subscribe, and don't forget the notification bell. As always, if you have comments, suggestions, or questions, leave them in the comment section down below. I'll see you in the next video, guys. Bye!